broadcasted my passcode to everybody watching this video, but hey, whatever. There we go. Just in case I forget to take the exit. It's been a while since I've been South Park. Fellas, my GoPro battery died, so I'm using my phone right now. So the only point of view video you guys will get is probably the one of me driving to this place. You know, the traffic took so long that my GoPro battery died. So yeah, I don't have any extras, so I'm just using my phone to get whatever clips of the car meet I can get. So yeah, enjoy. Dude, we have a fucking Santa Claus at the meet. What the fuck? Where's his sleigh, bro? GARAGEMONKEY365 and the Ford man. The Ford man himself, hey. If he ever see this video, just let them know I love he vibes. Yeah, not just the vibes. The way he does change gears in this thing. What are the odds that they all park next to me? Amazing. No, that is right up my alley. If you were wondering, I don't do those cool transitions or anything like those other YouTubers. So yeah, you basically get what you see and you basically get what I see. There's no fancy edits or anything like that, just the cars and just me and that sticker, which I like. I would love to add that to my car as well. Reminds me of the Pepsi guy. I'm reading what's on this guy's wing. Just look at this. Do you follow Jesus this close? I love that. Love that. Currently getting surrounded by the whole Garage Monkey team. Feels good. Feels good. Anyway. Ah yes, the Holy Grail has arrived. Really nice SR20 swapped Laurel. Perfect. So one of my dogs them reach. Of course he cast a looking sweet as ever. Yeah dog, now we talking about. And just like that, it's probably time I get home before, you know, things start getting crazy. I'm surprised things haven't gotten crazy already because the crowd is insane. So I'm kind of disappointed that the GoPro battery died, but at the same time I didn't expect it to last. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And well, yeah, subscribe, like the video, and I guess I'll see you in the next video, which will probably be next year because that's not far away. So yeah.